Hello, friend. Now, let's start a new topic. What is Tally course? Tally is an accounting software that is very much useful in making calculations in small and mid level businesses. You can do all the banking, editing, and accounting works using this software. Tally's accounting features permit you to record business transactions instantly and easily. Now, let's start new topic. What is Tally and its uses? Tally ERP9 is accounting software that has been used to record several financial transactions and events. As it is a multifunctional software, it includes inventory management, accounting, payroll preparation, multiple godowns management, cost center management, etc. Now, let's start a new topic. What is Tally in simple words? Now, a tally is a continuous count of something like the number of words in a document or the number of favors your best friend owes you. It comes from the Latin word for stick because people used to keep a tally by marking a stick. Tally can be the total or the act of adding it all up. Now, let's start a another topic is what is tally full name? Now, actually the full form of tally is transactions allowed in a linear line yards. Basically, tally is accounting software that has decreased the burdens of massive organization due to their entering benefits. Many organizations have been choosing tally software to handle their accounts department. Now, another topic is what is the full form of tally ERP 9? ERP refers to Enterprise Resource Planning software which integrates various functions of a business into a single unified system. A business, irrespective of size, has to deal with various functions like purchase management, sales management, material management, payroll, etc. Now, let's start. Another topic is what is ERP account? Enterprise resource planning systems help companies streamline their accounting needs through integration of data. It provides you with a better view of all areas of the business, and this enables you to make faster and more accurate decisions that affect the operations of your company. Now, what is difference between Tally and ERP? ERP9 is a business software which records all your business transactions and manages the billing, accounting, inventory, finance, banking, payroll, GST, income tax, etc. Tally Server 9 is a software used to boost the performance of Tally ERP9 Gold users. Now let's start. Another topic is what are the benefits of ERP system? G2 Crowd defines enterprise resource planning systems as integrated systems that manage all aspects of a business, aligning financial management, human resource, supply chain management, and manufacturing with the core function of accounting. ERP systems are used to provide transparency into the entire business process by tracking all aspects of production, financial, and materials. Now, let's start a new topic. The top 8 best benefits of having an ERP system. Now, number 1, provides real time information and data. Number 2, improved collaboration. Number 3, allows for increased productivity. Number 4, simple estimating and quoting. Number 5, 360-degree view of business operations. And number 6, provides seamless integration. Number 7, improved customer service. Then number 8, promotes cutting operation costs.